Hello friends, myself Atul, and today in this video we will see the Pi update for OnePlus 5T. So OnePlus 5T has recently got the update for Pi, and you can see over here it is running on Android 9 and Oxygen OS 9.0.0, and they have recently released this update. And if you haven't gotten this update on your phone, then you can use any VPN application like Opera VPN or Super VPN or like Turbo VPN, and you can select Germany or Canada and you will get this update. So let's see what the new features in this update we will see one by one. So first of all, let's see what we got in this new update. So if you go to system updates and if you click on view change logs, so you will see update logs over here. It says updated system to Android 9 Pi, brand new UI, brand new navigation gesture, security patch level to December 2018, new features, gaming mode 3.0, do not disturb mode, and camera. They have integrated Google Lens in camera apps. So that are the new features, that are the update logs for this new update. So first thing you will notice, that is notification panel. So you can see notification panel, it is different, it is very colorful. I can say it is because of more availability of the accent colors. So you can use many accent colors that you want, and you can select that. Right now I have selected this accent color, and that's why it's being displayed like this. So quick toggle settings have been changed, their appearance has been changed, and you can see the time has been shifted at right top corner, so you have to get used to it. And other things you will notice that whenever you press on that volume button, you will see such widget like that. It is small widget, and you will find that there is only one option, and that is media widget. So you have to get used to it because there is not any ringtone volume or alarm volume, so it is default media volume. So whenever you volume up or volume down, it will be for media output. It is not for ringtone or alarm. So you have to click on this gear icon. You will be go to ring volume, media volume, alarm volume, and you can adjust the volume from that. But right now from this volume key you won't be able to adjust alarm volume or ring volume, and that is default media output. And whenever you will long press your power key button, you can see such option over here, that is power off, restart, recovery, bootloader, screenshot, emergency. So you can take screenshot from here, you can go to recovery, you can restart your phone, power off. So it has been changed, it is not like earlier. So yeah, it has been changed now, so you can use like that. You can also call to emergency, that is your SOS number, so it will be called there, and you can select any of the options if you want to do something on your phone by long pressing on this power button. So let's see what has been changed in settings in options. So if you go to Wi-Fi, internet or Bluetooth and device connection, they haven't added or changed anything. But if you go to display, they have added more accent colors. So if you have selected theme like light or dark, so you can select accent color that you wanted. So there are so many accent color right now, and you can also adjust your accent color from here. So you can adjust anything, you can select anything, and that will be set as your accent color. So yeah, there are so many available colors in accent colors, so it is fun to use these accent colors on your phone. And when you go to apps and notification, you will see a new feature, that is recently opened apps. So whatever the apps you have opened recently, you have used recently, that will be shown over here. So you can get a better idea what apps have been used recently, and if you hand over your phone to someone else, then you can also check what apps that he have used on your phone. So it is a handy feature. So it is new feature. It wasn't available in Oreo, but now it is available. So you can see recently opened apps in apps and notification. You will see a big change, and that is at navigation bar and gesture. So you can see there are three options: back, home and recent. So right now I don't have any soft keys over here, but if I'll click on back, home, recent, then you will see three soft keys over there. So back, home and recent apps key. And there is another, that is back and home. There are two buttons available here. So you can, this is back and home, and you can also use home button for open recent apps. But right now I am using navigation gesture. So how is it being used. So right now if I will swipe up from the bottom of my edge, it will go to home right now, and if I'll swipe up and hold, it will show recent apps. So that's how it works. So you have to swipe up from the edge to go to home, then swipe up and hold to recent apps key. And if you want to go to, you have to swipe up at right or left. Swipe up, right, left, swipe up, right, left. It will go back. So if you want to open previously opened apps, so you have to do like that. Yeah, you have to do like that. So previously opened apps will be open. So you have to swipe up and turn it left. Swipe up, turn it left. Swipe up, turn it left. Yeah, so that's how you will be able to open previously used apps. And they have added a new feature in button and gesture. So whenever you go to button and gesture, you will see quick activate the assistant app, and it says if you hold the power button for 0.5 seconds, it will activate the assistant app. So you have to enable it, and let's see how it works. So you have to press this power button for 0.5 seconds, and you can see the Google Assistant has been opened. So you can use Google Assistant like that, or you can also say hey Google or okay Google. So it will work on your voice, or if you don't want to use your voice, you have to press power button for 0.5 seconds and it will open your Google Assistant app. And if you long press for 3 seconds, and it will be go to your power menu, that will be for reboot and power off, for recovery or bootloader, etc. In battery option, you will see a new feature, that is adaptive battery. That will, it is written over here that to extend battery life, adaptive battery limits battery for infrequently used apps. Your phone will learn how you use apps over time. So it will save your battery, the app that you don't use often. If you want to use it, you have to enable it, and it will save the battery from the apps that you haven't been using recently or you haven't been using often. There you can see a new option that is named as utilities. So it was the earlier option, but they have renamed it as the utilities. So there is gaming mode, quick pay, parallel apps, app locker, pocket mode, and OnePlus switch. It was available earlier also, but yeah, they have changed their name and they have put them in utilities section. So you have to get used to it to use those features from utilities option. Earlier we would see clear cache, so we can clean cache from here that sometimes occupies 4 GB, 5 GB, but right now there is no any options over here. So you have to clear cache from the recovery menu, or you can also use third party apps, so that will help to clean the cache. But right now there is no option in storage to clean the cache. And whenever you click on settings, you will see the first thing, that search setting is on the top, and you have to type anything. You don't have to waste your time for finding any apps. You have to just type anything, just like if I want to search home, then you can see I am using home map, and it will be highlighted like that. So you don't have to look up for anything. It will be shown as highlighting color, and you can go to home app and you can select OnePlus launcher or Nova launcher. You can do like that. The search option is very handy in settings option. Everyone was waiting for the camera app, but I don't think they changed anything. But yeah, they have integrated Google Lens over here. You can see Google Lens over here, so you can use Google Lens right from your camera app like that. And have introduced portrait mode. So you can see in selfie portrait, you can see now you can also take selfie portrait from your front camera. So it is a good thing. So they have introduced the new feature. So yeah. But camera result is not improved or anything like that. But yeah, you will get Google Lens in your camera app and the portrait in your front camera. I am getting good battery backup. So right now my battery percentage, you can see it is 79%, and I have been using it for like 2.5 hours, and it is giving me a good battery life. So yeah, I am getting better battery life than earlier version. And thank you for watching this video. And if you want to ask any question, then please comment in our comment section. I will definitely reply you. And till then, happy Christmas. Enjoy your holidays. Take care.